Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your page's name on your Facebook using your laptop. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to log into your Facebook by typing in www.facebook.com on your preferred web browser and giving your login details. After you do that, you can see on the top right corner, you can change between profiles. Now you have to open your page. Once you open your page, again tap on the top right corner and tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, select settings. Once you selected settings, you can search the settings you want to change. Now I'm gonna type name and tap enter. Once you do that, select the name option. It's usually on the general settings actually. Now tap on the name and scroll up and tap view. Once you do that, you can see there's an edit option right beside your name of your. Once you tap on edit, you have to type in the name you want to change it into. And guys, that's it. That's how you change the Facebook page's name on your Facebook page through your laptop. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.